Hey everyone! Welcome back to Recipes with me. Today we're making a comforting and flavorful dish, peanut braised pork ribs with eggplant. This recipe combines tender pork, nutty peanuts, and fresh vegetables for a hearty meal you'll definitely want to try. Start with 2.5 pounds of pork back ribs. Place them under the broiler until they're browned and full of flavor. In a large pot, heat 3 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 cup of minced onion and a few cloves of garlic. Sauté until fragrant. Then pour in 3 cups of chicken broth and add 1 tablespoon of crushed coriander seed. Season with salt, pepper, and a touch of chili oil. Bring it to a boil. Now add the ribs into the pot. Cover and simmer gently for 1 hour or until the ribs are tender. While the ribs are cooking, go ahead and place a can of roasted peanuts in a blender with 1 tablespoon of oil. Blend that all up until it's nice and smooth. And hey, if you'd rather, you can substitute with half a cup of peanut butter instead. Stir in the peanut mixture, made from 1 12-ounce can of roasted peanuts blended with 1 tablespoon of oil, into the pot. Add 1 medium eggplant, cubed, the juice of half a lemon, about 1 tablespoon, and 2 teaspoons of paprika. Let everything simmer together for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the eggplant is soft. Taste and adjust salt and pepper as needed. Finish things off with some steamed carrots and green beans. You can either stir them right in or just serve them on the side if you'd like. This stew is just wonderful with rice or a bit of crusty French bread to soak up all that tasty sauce. And that's it. Peanut braised pork ribs with eggplant. Thanks so much for watching Recipes with me. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and ring the bell for more delicious meals. See y'all next time.